So you can always use this to design images, to give you ideas. You can use it to make mathematical calculations. You don't need to jump to anywhere else. Just stay within Edge, and whatever you're looking for, you're going to have it. Hi guys, I hope you are doing very well today. My name is Joseph. I am a Microsoft trainer, and I'm happy again that we are on the screen together. What is your default browser? I have chosen to use Microsoft Edge for several reasons because Copilot is now integrated into Microsoft Edge. So you don't need to jump from one AI to the other. Everything you want is in one place, ranging from where you're trying to learn coding, ranging from where you are trying to design graphics, or when you are trying to do some mathematical calculations. How are all these possible? It even takes your voice prompts and do what you ask it to do for you. Let's jump right into it and see how that works for you. So if you come to Microsoft Edge, for example, you click on this add icon here, you see the Copilot by the sidebar here, which you can also ask a lot of prompts for it to do stuffs for you. But the one I want to use today is the one here. So I'm just going to click on that at the middle, and it brings you up to this place, and it say, hey, Copilot, your everyday AI companion, right? Now looking at all this is where you need to put your prompts. Okay, now you can decide to even bring up a photo from your gallery. You can use voice, but I want us to concentrate here first. I had a question when I was working this afternoon on my exam preparation, and I saw that I had a question that said Contoso want to manually apply retention setting. How can it accomplish this task? And then it gave me these options, and I don't actually know which is the correct one. So I can just copy it this way from A to C this way, and come to the Copilot and Copilot inside Edge, and this is free so long you have Edge installed. So I just paste the question, and I'm just going to hit on next. I mean on send right here, and then see what happens. It's telling me something that see Contoso can't manually apply retention setting. They must automatically apply through retention policy or label, right? Now look at it. Contoso wants to manually apply this setting. How can it do that? And it just told me the answer. I can even ask it to explain further. All those are possible, right? Because there are all the other prompts that are coming up here. What is a retention policy, or what is a retention policy? What is a retention policy label? You can decide to just go right into it, and then it will start keep giving you instances of what you actually need to do about retention policy and all of that. So but I'm not interested in that right now. I want to look at it designing graphics for me, because that's very important, right? So let's say design a birthday card for this man who is also called Big Daddy, right? So I'm just going to copy it this way, and then I'm just going to copy this way, and I will do paste here. I'll do paste, and I'll hit on send. So this is going to help me generate a graphics, and look at it, it's saying I'll try to create that, and then let's just keep our fingers crossed. It is doing that already, so let's just wait. Okay, cool. So it has brought up a lot of images for me again. So it's just saying, it's just giving us all these, and you can see the name. I can decide to click on anyone, but let's say that I want to make it more colorful. I can come here and say make it more colorful, or I can decide to even use voice. Look at it. I'll allow my microphone, make it more colorful. All right, so let's wait.
I'll try to create that.
All right, so you saw it saying trying to create that, and it's now trying to again regenerate another image for me because I have asked it to add more colors to it. All right, so it's just out now, and you can see that this particular one, you see the reason why this microphone came up is because my voice captured the microphone before I started speaking. When I said enable microphone, that's why the next one that came out actually came out with a microphone. Let's say the person is a musician, who knows, right? So now let's just pick this. I think this is looking nice. Let's just pick this, and then you can just see that it's going to give us what is here. So look at it. So this time you can now download it. We can now download it, to see what we have, right? So let's see what is there. Happy birthday, Emmanuel. So this is actually rolled in, right? So this is not actually very nice, but of course you can choose to go for anyone that suits you. You can scroll through if this is fine by you, so you can decide to, of course, you see this, so you can share the link directly, or you can as well download and see how this looks as well fully on the screen. Now look at it, right? Looking great. I'm sure this one is looking great. So of course you can also scroll to next and see how this also looks, right? So that is how interesting this is. So if you don't even want to download it, you can just click on share and you copy the public URL, send it to the person, and he will just going to get it. So let's come back to another option that I just have here, and that is about designing a wedding card for Juliet and Ajaiye, stating the date as the date of the wedding to be this, and the venue to be this. So we just do this. So this is going to make it simpler by giving it more details. So we're just going to hit on this and we'll click on send. So it says certainly here is a beautiful wedding card design for Juliet and Ajaiye, and then it's just going on. You are cordially invited to this. So it's going to do everything for us and bring up some examples, right? So we can say that get me the card and make it very colorful.
Certainly. Here's a vibrant and colorful wedding card design for Juliet and Ajaiye. Juliet and Ajaiye's wedding. Save the date. You're cordially invited to celebrate the union of Juliet and Ajaiye. Date March 29, 2024. Time 3 p.m. Venue Vantage Hotel, Ikoyi. Join us for a day filled with love, laughter, and joy as we begin this new chapter together. Kindly RSVP by March 15, 2024. With love and best wishes. The bride and groom. Please mark your calendars and save the date. Please mark your calendars and save the date. Asterisk note, the image above is a placeholder. Feel free to replace it with a photo of the lovely couple or any other design elements you prefer, asterisk.
So you can see what is there. So I can equally click on this to add a picture of the couple. So it's just going to get me now an image and bring it out the way it is to look very nice. Okay, so you can see that it has brought up some beautiful images, right? So you can make it colorful. You can ask it to make it more colorful, but I just want to move on and then maybe bring this out and let's see how this looks. Of course, you can see Juliet and Ajaiye, October 29th, and so on. With the date, you can decide now to edit it and look at how it looks. Look at this, also looking beautiful, and look at this, looking beautiful. So you can always use this to design images, to give you ideas. You can use it to make mathematical calculations. You don't need to jump to anywhere else. Just stay within Edge, and whatever you're looking for, you're going to have it. So this is how interesting it is to use Edge. If you have not subscribed to this channel, it is time to do that. Please, if you've not given a like to the video, please do that right now so that you can increase the visibility for other people who may be needing this. So thank you very much, as I look forward to bringing you more tips on AI and integration with Microsoft Edge. Have a great day.